What is quartz, and how is it different from marble? Dear friends, quartz stone is an engineered material made from natural quartz crystals mixed with resins and pigments, known for its durability, non-porous nature, and low maintenance. While marble is a natural metamorphic rock formed from limestone, valued for its timeless beauty and unique veining but requiring more care due to its porous and softer surface. Quartz and marble are both popular materials used for countertops, flooring, and other surfaces, but they differ in composition, properties, and maintenance. Quartz. Quartz is an engineered stone made from natural quartz crystals, about 90 to 95%, combined with resins and pigments. It is non-porous, highly durable, resistant to stains, scratches, and moisture, and requires very little maintenance. Since it is man-made, it comes in a wide variety of colors and patterns, often designed to mimic natural stone. Marble. Marble is a natural metamorphic rock formed from limestone under heat and pressure. It has a unique, elegant look with natural veining, making it a luxury material. However, marble is porous, softer than quartz, and more prone to scratches, stains, and etching from acidic substances, like lemon juice or vinegar. It requires regular sealing and careful maintenance to preserve its beauty. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.